Hello guys, my name is Ram Tripathi and I'm a Google Summer of 2014 student under the Joomla project. This year my project is about building the Joomla CLI app suite. The CLI app suite is nothing but a command line utility which will help the developers and site administrators to control multiple instances of Joomla running on different remote servers from their local command line. So I hope that it will be a very handy and useful tool for all the developers and site administrators. And what I'm going to show you in this video is a subset of all the scripts that I've developed. The purpose is that to show you what all can be done by using the CLI app suite. It will be a preview of my project. So there will be a ton of things that can be done, and basically the tasks that we can achieve on the Joomla CMS and all remote websites are just limited by our imagination. So I'll show you some handful of scripts and give you a nice preview of the project so you can expect what is coming at the end of the summer. So let's start. So as I told you that this app suite enables us to control one or multiple websites. So as you can see, this is my website which is on a remote server. I'm ramtripathi.in, and I also have my local host running. It is a basic Joomla installation. So first I'm going to show you how my app suite runs on a remote website. So what I'll do is I'll specify a server which is my test server, which is my remote website, and specify an action. I want to know what version of Joomla I'm running on my remote website. So it will ask for my password. It will first establish an SSH connection, and this requires my password. So let us wait for that. Okay, actually my internet connection is a bit slow, so for the rest of the project I'll be demonstrating you on my localhost server. So you will see the installed version is in the 3.3.1. so it was a remote website. So and for the rest of the project, for the rest of the presentation, I will be switching to my localhost server. So let us check what version I'm running on the localhost, and let us check the package for that. So Joomla version which is installed is 3.3.1. So okay. So moving forward, let us try to make a server offline. So as you can see, the local server is currently online. So let us try to take a site offline. So our site is offline, and we should try and reload that, and our site is offline. So as I want to demonstrate more scripts to you, I want to take that site online. So let us put that site online, and let's put in the password again, and the site is online. Okay. So moving forward, what if we want to add new user from our command line? So let us try to do that. So I'll add a user, and all the user details can be passed as arguments like u for username and p for passwords and all that stuff. But if we do not provide any argument, the script will ask us for all the details. So let's say you want to make a user for Dracula. The name of the user is Dracula @l.org, and the password is Dracula. And let us make the user a super administrator, and 8 is the number which is associated with the super administrator in Joomla CMS. So a user is created, and the ID of the newly created user is 741. So let us check. So I am logging into our administrator account. Okay, so here we are inside the Linux or inside the Joomla administrator panel. So you can see the user is a super administrator here. So there is a super user that is logout, and now we'll try to list all the users. So what users are available. So as you can see, there are 3 users available right now. So we want to delete the user with the ID 741, the user which we just added. So let us try and delete the user from a command line. I'll provide my password. Okay, I will not provide the ID of the user, so I'll use 741, and the user was deleted successfully. So let us try to use the users again and see if, yeah, so as you can see there are only 2 users, so it works fine. Let's clear our screen. Yeah, so let us now try to install some languages, and for installing languages, first we need to know what languages are present, what languages are available for us to install. So let us try search for the languages. So we'll list the languages first, and these are the languages that are available to us. I'm particularly a fan of, like, I like the Scandinavian countries and the culture a lot and how they work. So I'm very fond of the Scandinavia region. So let us try to install all the Scandinavian languages. So we have Danish here with the ID 23, we have Norwegian 30, we have Swedish with 35, and we have Finnish with 50. So it is 23, 50, 35, and 30, I guess. 35 and 30 now. Wait. So 35 languages, 21, 50, 35 and 30. I'll provide my password. So what now it will do is it will download the packages and install all the packages simultaneously. So suppose you have multiple websites. So right now this S specifies the server, and suppose if we have multiple websites, so this absolute has a file called servers.sh, which is a configuration file. You can configure groups as well. So a group may contain multiple websites. So instead of S argument, will provide G and will specify a particular group. So the scripts will run on the group of websites. So right now it's installing the packages, and okay, all the packages are successfully installed. So let us try to see if they are installed or not. We'll list all our extensions here. And we'll provide the password. And as you can see, these are all the extensions for components, libraries, modules, plugins and all that listed. And you can see that Finnish, Swedish, Norwegian, okay, and Croatian has been installed instead of Danish. I must have specified the wrong ID. Okay, Danish is 23, I specified 21. Okay, no problem. So now it occurs to me that I do not know these languages. So what is the point of having them? So I want to install these languages. Remember that language is installed as a package file and not a language file. So let us note the IDs of all these languages. So 716, 719, Swedish is 722, and 25, 16192225. So I want to specify the ID 716, 719, 722, and all the packages are installed. Let us check again if they been installed or not, and there are no more language files available. So we have successfully deleted all the language files. So now to show you, I'll demonstrate one more thing. As you can see, this is there is no search box in this front page, and I know that search box is a module called mod_search. So what we'll do is we'll list extensions. Okay, it is already listed, so I'll search for the mod_search. Here it is, and I'll look for its ID. It's called 213, and what I'll do is I'll toggle my extension. I'll provide the ID, and it will change the status of my extension. So as you can see, my extension with ID is enabled. So I'll refresh my page, and there goes my search box. So, and one of the last scripts that I would like to demonstrate is JoomlaUpdate. So what this script does is it basically checks for the latest version of Joomla, and if the present version is an older version, it will update to a newer version. So you can run your update script on multiple websites. So suppose you have 5, 6 or 10 websites, in just one command you can update all those websites. So first check what version of Joomla we are running. So it is already 3.3.1, which is the latest version. So if we try to run the Joomla update script here, it will basically show us that there are no new updates available. So what we'll do is we'll change the version of Joomla. And now we need to update our database. Since I need to show you the update script, I'll fix my database, and I'm genuinely making it, I'm forcefully making it in another version so that I can update it. And let's try to run our update script on this version again. First let us check what version of Joomla we are running. So it is 3.3.1 dev, and now we'll run the same script again. So it is downloading a update package. As you can see, the older version is 3.3.1 dev and the newer version is 3.3.1. So the notice that you see here is basically a problem in the code, in the Joomla code. I'll be making a pull request and I will be sending it through. It basically is just a simple wrong variable name being used, and it has not been updated yet. So I'll make a pull request of it. So the version of my site is updated. So let's check the VersionInfo again, and my site is updated to 3.3.1, and I'll log in again and I'll check whether I'm running the latest version or not. As you can see it down at the bottom, it says 3.3.1. so it is that. So these are some of the examples, some of the scripts that I wanted to show you. I hope that it gives you a good idea of what CLI AppSuite is all about, and I hope you like the entire project, the entire AppSuite that I'm working on this summer. So thanks for watching and see you next time.